When we are going through a lean period, it is perseverance and hard work that pay off. If we continue to move towards our goal, more often than not, we are able to turn the tide. When such a thing happens, we can use a word to describe that. But before we move any further, let's quickly see what we learned last week. The word for this week is turnaround. As per Collins Dictionary, a turnaround is a sudden improvement, especially in the success of a business or economy. It is a situation in which something changes from bad to good. Let's see some examples. The new deals have resulted in a turnaround in the economy. The team effort was behind the turnaround in the company's fortunes. In a dramatic turnaround, the favorites lost to the underdogs. Since we are turning the things around, one phrase that will be easy to remember is turn the tables. As per Cambridge Dictionary, it means to change from being in a weaker position in relation to someone else to being in a stronger position. If you turn the tables on someone, you change the situation completely, so that instead of them causing problems for you, you are causing problems for them. Let's see some sentences. People have decided to turn the tables on the government. We are in no position to turn the tables on our rivals. Aware residents turn the tables on thieves in the area. You too can witness a turnaround and turn the tables on your rivals if you can remain steadfast in attaining your goal. I'll be back with a new word and a new phrase next week. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.